Tutorial for students on how to navigate the SEO Simternship platform. The SEO Simternship Simulator provides students with a practice environment featuring key elements for search engine optimization in a simulated setting where they take on the role of an SEO expert at Buhai Supply Company. In SEO Simternship, students can conduct an SEO assessment or audit for a website, optimize landing pages and use the best on-site SEO practices, conduct keyword research and update meta tag content, examine and choose an off-site SEO strategy, analyze backlinks, authority scores, keywords, and statistics on organic traffic, practice building backlinks to boost site authority and organic traffic. Open your browser and copy the address www.stuken.com, then click Login. Finally, enter your credentials to access the platform. To start the simulation, click the Go to SEO Simternship button. The first screen includes an introductory video for the SEO Simternship or Mimic SEO with more detailed instructions on how to navigate the simulation. In the Inbox tab, you will receive messages from the marketing director with information that you can use to make decisions in the different rounds. In the About Buhai tab, you'll find a video outlining a brief history of the company. Additionally, you will see icons reflecting the company's core values such as honesty, positivity, among others. In the Website Preview tab, you will find all the products that the company offers. Additionally, you will see an image and the retail price of each product. In the Customer Profiles tab, you will find the customer profiles for whom Buhai has created its products. The simulation is divided into rounds, each with a specific scenario or task that you must complete. Within each round, there will be different tabs with the assigned task, such as conducting a sitemap and competitor audit, as well as on-page SEO and off-page SEO techniques for website optimization. You must also assist your colleagues within the simulator by answering their questions about several SEO-related topics in the Notification Hub. Once you have made decisions following the instructions shown in each round, press the Run Simulation button to generate the results of your strategies. The Results tab presents an overview of your progress. After each round, your results will be updated in this section that you can access at any time during the simulation. In addition, you will find indicators and metrics that will help you measure your performance and enable you to make decisions and improve your performance as you progress through the rounds. We invite you to explore and enjoy the features of this simulation.